One day, a little girl named Leona went for a walk in the forest, where she saw a small rabbit trembling with fear. Gently approaching the rabbit, Leona asked, "Why are you scared?" The rabbit replied, "I have lost my home, and I don't know how to get back." Leona smiled and said, "Don't worry, I'll help you." She started walking with the rabbit, and together they noticed small signs inside the forest that led to the rabbit's home. After a while, they reached the rabbit's house. The rabbit cheerfully said, "Thank you, Leona, for helping me." Leona smiled and said, "It's our responsibility to help friends." If you also want to create such cartoon videos and earn lakhs of rupees from YouTube, then watch this video until the end. You can earn a lot by making these kinds of videos, as you can see from this channel. It has 19.7K plus subscribers, but its videos have millions of views, and its earnings are very high. Here's another channel with 164K plus subscribers, and it also gets millions of views. In this video, I will show you how to create a complete video in full HD quality, so let's start. The first step is to generate a story. For this, I always use ChatGPT. So, I open ChatGPT on my phone. Here, we will write a prompt for our story. I will write a prompt here, about 150 words in English. You can also write it in English. Now, I send it and see, it has written a story for us. Now, we need photos related to the story, so we will write again here to generate images for every sentence of the story, point-wise. You can see that it has also written down the same to generate images. We copy the story and save it in our notepad. Now comes step number 2, which is generating a voiceover. For this, we will go to Google and search for TDS Free and tap on the first link to open it. Here, you will find many character voices. Select your language according to your script. Now paste the story you generated from ChatGPT in the box above, and then tap on the Convert Now option below. Our voiceover will be generated, and we will download it from here. Now, tap on the plus icon you see here, and paste your prompt here. I will copy the first prompt for generating the scene pictures from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now, we will select the ratio below. I will select it. After this, tap here, and I will choose Cinematic, 3D Render, and Vibrant. Now, tap on the Generate option above, and in just a few seconds, our pictures will be generated. So, you can see that our pictures are ready. We will download them from here. Tap on Download, then Download, and then tap on JPG, so they will be saved on our phone. I will generate the rest one by one the same way. So, now our pictures are ready. Now, it's time for step number 4, which is generating an animated video. For this, I will again go to Google and search. I will open the first website. Here, you can only create 4 videos per day and 30 videos per month due to the demand. So, I will log in with different accounts and create all the videos. This is a completely free website. Now, friends, tap on the gallery option and add the image you want to convert into a video. Now, write your prompt or whatever you want to happen in this scene here, like I will write, "Little girl walking." After writing this, tap on this arrow, and in a short time, it will be generated. I will convert the rest of the images into videos the same way, so look, our video is ready. I will play it and show it to you. Now, we will download it, so I will tap on this download option, and it will be downloaded. This is how I created all the videos. Now comes step number 5, which is video editing. For this, I always use the InShot app. You can use any editing app. So, I open the InShot app. Here, tap on Video and import the animated video we created. Now, select the 9:16 ratio for making a short video, and if you want to make a long video, tap on the option and select the 16:9 ratio. Then zoom in a bit on the video so that the watermark is not visible. Now, tap on this double tip option and apply it to all. Now, we will take the voiceover that we generated. Friends, tap on this audio option, then on music, and then go to music and take the voiceover that we generated from AI. After adding it, first go to volume and increase it to full. Now, cut the gaps between the voiceover here. For example, if there's a gap here, I will cut it by tapping on this option, and it will be cut, and do the same here. Then tap on the delete option and delete this empty part from here, and join the remaining audio together. I will set all the voiceovers here. So now, our voiceover is set. Now, we will set the videos according to the voiceover. So I will set them too. So, our video is set now. Now, friends, we will add transitions to it. For this, friends, tap between the videos where the next video starts, and transitions will open. You can choose any one you like, so I will select this one. I will add transitions to all the videos in the same way. Now, friends, the video looks quite good, but it's still missing something, so I will use a green screen effect. For this, we will tap on this option and take a green screen effect from our gallery. So, I have taken it here. Now, we will first fill the screen with it. After this, tap on this cutout option and tap on this option here, then slide this option a little bit here, and see, the green color is removed. Adjust it from here too, so now our effect is applied. Lastly, we will add background music to it. For this, tap on Audio, then on Music, and select a sound from Music. Now, reduce its volume to about 14 or 15, because background music should always be low. Now our video is ready, so we will tap on the export option above, then here, and then tap on export, and it will be saved on our phone. By making this kind of video, you can earn lakhs of rupees. This is a very viral niche. Start now. Hope you all liked the video. Be sure to comment, and see you in the next video. Take care.